In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. This tool is a great way to assist you in drafting emails more efficiently, and with a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to composing your emails with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace Labs sign up page. This is where you'll initiate your access to the innovative features offered by Workspace Labs, including the Help Me Write functionality. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to agree to the Workspace Labs terms and their privacy notice. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these terms to ensure you understand how your data may be used, so take a moment to review them. Then click the I agree button to continue. Next up, there's an option to receive communications directly from Workspace Labs regarding valuable tips, feature updates, offers, and feedback opportunities. This can be very beneficial if you like staying updated with the latest developments and improvements to the Workspace Labs tools. If this sounds good to you, go ahead and click that you agree to be contacted. Following this, you will need to confirm that you're 18 years or older. This is a standard practice to ensure compliance with age regulations, so simply click the acknowledgement box to proceed. Now you're ready to submit your information, click on the submit button, and this will register you for the Workspace Labs features. With the registration complete, you're now prepared to move over to Gmail and put the Help Me Write feature into action. In your Gmail account, go ahead and click on the Compose button to start a new email. Once the new message window pops up, you'll notice an icon for Help Me Write. It's generally easy to spot, and clicking on it will open up a new field for you. In this field, you can type exactly what you need help with. It could be anything, perhaps an invitation for a night out, a work email draft, or even a heartfelt note. Just start typing out your thoughts or the subject of your email as you normally would. For instance, if you're planning an evening out with friends, you could type in something like invitation to a night out. Once you have penned your thoughts, simply click on Create. The Help Me Write feature will then assist in formulating a polished and coherent draft for your email, offering you a quick way to finalize what you want to convey. And there you have it, you've now learned how to access and use the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. With this tool, writing emails becomes faster and a whole lot easier. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch how it streamlines your email communication. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.